Hey guys, and we're back with another Minecraft video. We're gonna be doing a secret base video again because last time I did my Easter Bunny secret base and I said I would do the Grinch, so now I'm doing the Grinch. Okay, so this last time I said I had a lot of these. I do. I found a lot of these. And I said last time I said that one was really hard to find. This one was like the easiest thing ever. We're going to go inside. Let's find a way up. Is there any doors? Oh, ladders. I'm going to see if there's any doors anyway. I never checked this way. Okay, let's just go up. And like I did last time, I'm going to use TNT, explode this, or something like the Easter Bunny. The Easter Bunny, I used lava. You know what? I could just fly. I don't have to be wasting my time. But I wouldn't if I was on survival. Okay, let's go. What's that say? What's that say? I feel like it says Grinch. I feel like it says Grinch because I see a big tree and then... Okay, I'm guessing. I think it says Grinch. Oh my god. Look at all these emeralds. I bet there's like, I can't even guess how much is in there. Grinch plans? Let's see if he's gonna steal Christmas in this land. I mean, in Minecraft. The Grinch. I hate Christmas, but I don't know what to do about it. All that Mr. Santa. I know how to take over Christmas. I should be Santa and steal all the presents instead. So yes, he is taking over Minecraft. Oh my god. I found his Santa suit. I'm taking this. Even though the hat doesn't look like a Santa hat, I'm taking it. I'm just taking it. Okay, let's put these on. Okay. That does not look like a Santa hat, but it does look like his red suit. I just need his real Santa hat and to be chubby. And then a white beard, and I'll be ready to actually be Santa Claus. Oh, I get why he has a green bed, then just some furnaces. Anything good in here? No, not really. I guess he hasn't been cooking stuff lately. Okay, this is the time where we explode the Grinch. We're not just gonna explode him. We are just gonna explode him. But this is also a learning one. I'm going to teach you on this one how to make a wither. The wither. Okay, so you need a wither skeleton skull, but this is only if you're on creative. If you're on survival, you need a lot more things. Okay, so soul sand, and I'll show you how to make him. I'm making him because he blows up, and this will be quicker than actually using TNT. The wither. We're going to look. Let's watch. Okay, silence. Withering hates. What does that say? I'm not sure. Whoa, we exploded him. Are you serious? We just like... Whoa, that was epic. Is he still here? Where'd he go? I guess he killed himself. Huh. I don't know why he killed himself. Okay, so let's just get some TNT. Okay, let's do that. We're lighting up this Grinch. I really want to fight the Wither. It's just, I don't know where he is. I think he killed himself. I don't know why. Oh, I just made a bigger explosion. Or was it because he was already there? I'm not sure. I think I'm going to make my own TNT Grinch. Yeah. How is your mind so good, Tyler? Yep, we're going to make another Grinch made of TNT. I'm not going to do it right by that Grinch because who knows? He'll know who exploded his He won't know I explode his secret base, but he'll know somebody does. I'm just not going to make a TNT one right by him. Let's do over here. Let's do over here. Over here. Oh no, did I just find a village? I'm going to put the wither in a village. See what it looks like. And then I think I'm just going to go back and hang out with the other one. And we're back with the wither. Okay, we're gonna watch him again. I'm full screen in this. Booyah! Okay, so we're gonna go back. I'm gonna go see. So, yeah. Watch this video and you'll learn how to make the wither on creative. On survival, you'll need, okay, let's see. You'll need 3 of these skulls, and you'll need 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of soul sand. We put it like that, and then we put 3 skeleton skulls, and it does not matter which way they're looking, but it has to be on top of the 3 little bumpy things. Okay. Is it still dark over here? Am I fine? I think I'm fine. Okay, it's like, since I exploded it, I'm actually going to kind of help him out. I'll make him, actually, you know what? I am going to make my own secret base under his secret base. Okay, guys, let's do that. And since it's kind of dark in here because I put up the wither, I think I'm going to get some night vision. Oh no. Now I think it's kind of, the lighting looks, how did the lighting just change? I don't know, Minecraft is so weird these days. What should I put in my secret base? What if he finds it? I'm gonna put the Grinch stinks. Okay, yeah, guys. We have to do this. Oh, and guys, if you want to find a secret base, look extra hard because some of them are really hard to find. Okay. You stink. Grinch. Grinch, you stink Grinch. Done. And then over here, I'm just going to put some TNT. So if he walks in, he'll just see some TNT. Oh. And I'm going to write someone was here. I don't know how to spell someone. I'm just going to guess my best. Someone was H-E-R-E. Someone was, I spelled someone wrong. Let's go. Ugh, I don't want to fix it. Okay, I'm just going to leave it so he thinks, who wrote that? There's such a bad speller. See, the light just changed. I have no idea what's going on, bro. Or, instead of saying bro, because I bet there's not one person watching, I'm going to say, Minecraft fans. Let's say that. But if you are not my fan, call yourself, you'll just dislike Minecraft. I'll call you the disliker Minecrafter. Okay, so, I don't know if that makes sense, but let's just keep going. Mama. So, I'm about to end the video here, guys. Thanks for watching. Like I said, I have a lot more secret bases. Some are gonna be hard to find, some are gonna be easy, and I still have to find more. That was the last one I found, but there's gonna be more secret bases. So I don't know which one's gonna be next, but I'm just gonna say thanks for watching. And for if you want another one of our another. If you want me to find another one, you have to subscribe. If you don't, it means you don't like these secret base ones, and I won't do them anymore. I just want to say, please subscribe. There's